Medley Plumbing has been a premier plumbing business serving the Franklin, Marion, and Western Kentucky area since 1974. As a third-generation, family-owned and operated business, Eugene Medley and his children Niki, Britney, and Daniel have continued what their father and grandfather started. With their customers' best interest at heart from start to finish, they're an honest company that focuses on customer satisfaction in all things plumbing. If you're looking for a highly trusted residential and commercial plumber, give the team at Medley Plumbing a call at 270-598-0393 or stop by to visit and learn more.